Hello friends, wanted to take you through another use of a new module I dropped called PShellAI, which is a minimal, powerful AI assistant in your console. You can use it inside Visual Studio Code, inside the console there, or in Windows Terminal. And what I want to do is I'm going to work with my import Excel module, and I want to create a changelog, and I want to use it using Git, and I don't want to go look up those commands. So I'm going to clear the screen, and then you activate the assistant, typing in Q and then space, you type out what you want, create a changelog using Git. I press enter and it shows me the agent response, it shows me the Git command, and then I have an option to follow up with some more pieces that I can refine my prompt, or I can press enter to copy to the clipboard and quit, or I can just control C to quit and be done. I'm going to press enter and it gets copied to the clipboard, so when I paste it in, there is the Git command I would use. I didn't have to go on to Google, do a bunch of searches, figure things out. I have everything here in a matter of seconds in my console, and then I press enter, and now I've created a changelog. Now, that may be what I want, maybe I don't, so I want to refine it. Let's do it again, but now what I want to ask it is the same question, but I'm going to refine it with in the last 6 months, and I'm not going to spell out months. And there we go. I'm going to copy that to the clipboard by pressing enter, clear the screen. Let's paste that command in, and here is a shorter changelog. And maybe let's try one more and run this again, and I'll say in the last 6 months, and use timestamp and message. See what we get. Okay, so it does a pretty format. Let's copy that to the clipboard, and then we'll paste it in. And now I've got a changelog with a timestamp of when it happened and the explanations that I want. It's that simple. No Googling, no Stack Overflow, searching around for minutes. You get it done in seconds in your console. Good to go. Enjoy.